Meetings move fast. If you wait too long, you'll lose your chance to speak. If you interrupt badly, you might sound rude. So, how do you step in without breaking the flow? In this video, you'll learn how to ask for clarification during a meeting. Stay till the end to practice the key phrases out loud. How to asking for clarification in a meeting.
Stay with us till the end and you'll feel much more confident using these sentences at work.
We're in the middle of a team meeting. Let's see how Harry and I jump in politely to clarify question and add ideas. All right, let's review the rollout schedule. We're planning to begin internal testing next Monday and move into user testing the following week.
Sorry, Alice. May I jump in for a moment?
Of course.
Just to clarify, does internal testing include performance checks or only functionality?
It includes both. So after testing, we'll move into final adjustments and prepare for launch. That's a fair point.
I'm not suggesting we delay the launch, but perhaps we should build in a small contingency period.
Thanks for raising that. We discussed it briefly, but we haven't finalized anything.
Understood.
Let me finish outlining the schedule. Then we can come back to the buffer idea. The objective is to maintain alignment with the client's expected timeline.
Are we fully locked into the client's deadline, or is there some flexibility?
There's limited flexibility. If we communicate early,
If you don't mind, can I share a related thought?
go ahead.
Instead of adding buffer at the end, we might consider adjusting task order to reduce risk earlier in the process.
That's interesting. Can you expand on that?
Sure, if we prioritize higher risk tasks first, we'll surface major issues sooner without extending the deadline.
That's a strong suggestion. Thanks for jumping in there.
And one more thing, should we define decision ownership during testing? If there's disagreement, who makes the final call?
Good question. The project lead will make the final decision after consulting key stakeholders.
Perfect. That gives clarity. Before we change topics, can we confirm the buffer discussion?
Yes, good point. Let's tentatively add a 3-day contingency period after testing. We'll review if it's needed.
That sounds reasonable.
Thanks for raising that professionally. Now, stakeholder communication will be handled weekly.
Sorry, may I quickly clarify something?
Yes.
Will stakeholders receive summary updates or detailed reports every week?
Weekly summaries. Detailed reports at major milestones.
Perfect. That's clear.
Now it's your turn. Listen first, then repeat out loud. Sorry to interrupt, but may I ask a question? Can I jump in for a moment? If you don't mind, I'd like to add a quick point. Before we move on, can we clarify one thing? I just want to make sure I understand. I'm not suggesting we delay, but I'd like to raise a concern. Say it again. Focus on tone, not just the words. Remember, politeness comes from delivery. Great work. Asking for clarification politely is not interrupting, it's contributing, but you have to do it at the right moment, in a respectful way. When done well, it improves the discussion, instead of stopping it. Come back later today and shadow this video one more time. And if you want to speak more confidently in meetings, subscribe for more daily workplace English. See you in the next lesson.